Reprogram your subconscious mind in 60 seconds or less. That's right, my friend. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal. I'm conducting a video workshop on WhatsApp, 7-day workshop to reprogram your subconscious mind in 60 seconds or less. Now, let me tell you, my friend, what happens when we are born. Our mind is like a brand new laptop or computer. There is no negative programming, nothing. Everything is fresh. And as we grow up, lot of negative programming come from the other people and from circumstances and get programmed in your mind like in your computer. And then what happens? We connect our laptop to the internet, we start getting lot of negative viruses. And that is one of the reasons we are not able to achieve what we want to achieve because of negative programming, negative viruses. So my friend, I am conducting a very powerful workshop using the power of visualization. You are going to learn in this workshop, first of all, remove the negative programming using the power of visualization, then removing the antivirus, removing the viruses from your brain using really a very powerful visualization technique. And then you will learn how to install a antivirus software. Yes, my friend, it's a very powerful imagination technique, visualization technique, which I will be guiding you and you will be doing the exercise. And then you will learn how to protect yourself, you create a very powerful shield. And now, the most important part is when everything is fresh now, we need to reprogram our mind to achieve what we want. You are going to learn a very simple, very powerful technique which I use all the time when people come for therapy or personal sessions with me. Within a few minutes, you can change everything in your subconscious mind and program it. You will learn everything by doing it. It's a very simple technique. By just changing some pictures and words, completely you can change your mind. Now this workshop is a 7-day WhatsApp workshop which is starting from 30th of September. 7-day WhatsApp workshop. That means first day you will get a lesson at 9 p.m. and afterwards you will get a lesson on between 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening. Now remember, it will be working days, there will be no lesson on Sunday. Now advantage of this workshop, WhatsApp workshop is because it is a video workshop, I'll be giving you technique, guiding you into it, so you can watch it again and again and again. So whenever you feel something you need to change, you can watch it and do the exercise. This is the biggest advantage of WhatsApp workshop because it is a video workshop and everything is practical, no theory. Yes, my friend, everything is practical. Now normally this kind of workshop when I conduct 101 or teach somebody 101, it is around 15,000 rupees. And now when I do in a group workshop like this, in a group settings like a physical workshop, I charge 5,000 rupees. Now my friend, listen carefully. This workshop, there is one more important thing I want to tell you here is, in this workshop you are going to get my ebook, a very powerful ebook of creative visualization free as a bonus, which we normally sell on my website at 450 rupees. The energy exchange for this workshop is you are not paying 5,000, you are not paying 3,000, you are not paying 2,000, you are not even paying 1,000, you are only paying 550 plus GST. That comes to around 649 rupees. That's all. 649, 550 plus GST. That comes to 649. You can use a Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay number given below and enroll, and then send us a screenshot. Very, very important. Send us the screenshot so that we can, with your mobile number, the WhatsApp number, so that we can add you in the main group. Lessons will come in the main group every day. So you can watch it, download it. At the end of the workshop, we'll give you a Google Drive link plus a certificate of participant also you will be given from us. Now my friend, it's a practical workshop. The bonus is 450 plus. The material is very, very powerful, my friend. I work with the top level sportsmen. I always do this exercise with them so that they can feel fresh and play powerfully. So your life will change completely, my friend, by using these techniques, simple techniques. So enroll right now using Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay. If you are out of India, you can use the PayPal button, and the PayPal button there, the fee for the PayPal is in US dollar, that is only 15 US dollar. That's all, my friend. Register right now and see you on 30th of September on WhatsApp. Thank you very much.